So today I got a little careless. I managed to curb one of my wheels. I was very careful in the 3 years of ownership of this car not to get any curb damage. Today I curbed the front wheel, so pretty annoyed. It's not too bad. I'm going to show you basically what I did to help hide it. I wouldn't say eliminate it because it's pretty hard to eliminate a curb just by a little sanding and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you what I did to make it look better. That way it's not as noticeable and I can live with it. It's not terrible. So I'm going to show you basically the tools you'll need. So this is everything I used to get the job done. Just a piece of 2500 wet sandpaper. I have a bunch in the house, but this is just a little piece I tore off. Just a little bit of compound. I used quick detailer spray for the lubrication for the wet sandpaper instead of water. This works really well. One of these polishing pads. I could put a link in the description for the kind of pads I use, and just a basic drill. Here's some curb rash. Gonna try to make it look a little better. Not much I can do, but hopefully I can kind of hide it a little bit. So I'm using some 2500 grit wet sandpaper. I'm just using a little spray detailer just to keep it wet. Already started doing it a little bit. Whole purpose is just to make it look a little better. I'm not trying to fully get rid of it. It's never going to happen. Hopefully this does the trick. And a little polish. It's already looking a little better. It's looking a little better already. So this is what it's looking like after wet sanding a little bit. It's a lot better than it was. Now I'm going to polish with a little bit of compound and one of these pads on my drill. Drill over there. Use this orange pad since it's a pretty rough cut. Hopefully I could take it down a little more and get a nice shine again. So going over it for a while with this is the end result. It's a lot better than it was. Definitely a lot better. It's not as noticeable. I didn't expect to get rid of it, but it's way better than it was. That's for sure. If I go back a little bit, barely noticeable. So once again, this is the end result. Looks better, but not perfect, as I've been saying. But it does hide it, and it's not as noticeable, and it's livable at this point. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer. It's a pretty straightforward procedure. Anybody can do it as long as you have, you know, basic tools. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.